Welcome to the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a realm of mystery and wonder. Spanning over 3 million square miles, this lush expanse is a sanctuary for over 3 million animal species and thousands of plant species. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the hidden marvels within this untamed wilderness. Our exploration begins with an astonishing find in Ecuador, where an ancient city lay concealed for millennia. A network of roads and canals, dating back 2,500 years, hints at a thriving civilization that once thrived in harmony with the rainforest's dense foliage. Venture deeper into the Amazon's depths and witness the mesmerizing glow of a natural fluorescent fungus, casting an ethereal light amidst the darkness of the forest. This enchanting phenomenon transforms the night into a surreal spectacle of bioluminescent hues. Prepare to be amazed by the Timpishka River, a natural wonder that defies expectations with its scorching temperatures capable of boiling small animals alive. Scientists are still unraveling the mysteries of this geothermal anomaly, adding to the Amazon's enigmatic allure. Delve into the depths of the Amazon's underground realm, where a hidden river flows through labyrinthine channels, shrouded in mystery and intrigue. This subterranean waterway remains a testament to the rainforest's hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. Encounter the adorable pygmy marmoset, the world's smallest monkey, as it leaps through the treetops with unparalleled agility. These tiny primates embody the Amazon's diversity and charm, captivating all who witness their playful antics. Listen to the bone-chilling calls of the howler monkey echoing through the dense foliage, creating an eerie symphony that reverberates through the Amazon. These haunting vocalizations remind us of the wild and untamed nature of this ancient rainforest. Discover the enigmatic presence of uncontacted tribes hidden within the Amazon's depths, preserving ancient traditions and ways of life untouched by modern civilization. Their existence serves as a poignant reminder of the rainforest's rich cultural heritage and resilience. Marvel at the intricate spider webs that adorn the Amazon, spun by orb-weaving spiders to create a surreal tapestry that captures the imagination. These colossal structures add to the rainforest's mystique, showcasing nature's artistry in its purest form. Witness the astonishing pace of discovery in the Amazon, where new species of plants and animals are unveiled every 3 days, highlighting the boundless biodiversity and endless wonders of this vibrant ecosystem. The rainforest's secrets continue to captivate and inspire, inviting us to explore its depths further.